our midnight mass, no? That we thank Him, no? And somehow that's life, no? Life is a gift to the Lord, no? And somehow now our brother Rani experienced fullness of life. Life cannot become fullness of life if we do not surrender our life to the Lord. And somehow the death is a form of fullness of life. Even in the empty tomb, after the resurrection, the tomb was empty, but that emptiness, there was life. It is only in surrendering, it is only in dying of oneself that we can truly experience fullness of life. There was a story of a little girl, and her mother gave her this fake necklace, pearl necklace, fake. And then